Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share with you some interesting and proven science facts. Let's get into our video. Are you wondering why the ice cubes look different? Let's know. If you make ice cubes with tap water, they'll be white. And if you use boiled water, it will be transparent. Can you dream and read parallelly? Ridiculous, right? You cannot read in a dream because reading and dreaming are functions of different sides of brain which don't cooperate during dreaming. Did you know owls actually have long legs? They can sit with crossed legs. Why apples float? Apple is made up of 25% air. That is why they float in water. Can you find out which is this bird? Albatross. The albatross is the largest bird that can go years without landing. They spend their first 6 years of life flying over the ocean without touching ground. Isn't it interesting? Do ants sleep? Ants never sleep. Also, they don't have lungs. Oxygen enters through tiny holes all over the body and carbon dioxide leaves through the same hole. What is the relation between Stephen Hawking, Einstein, and Galileo? Hawking was born on Galileo's death anniversary and died on Einstein's birth anniversary. Both Hawking and Einstein lived for 76 years. Stephen Hawking's death on March 14th coincides with Albert Einstein's 139th birth anniversary, while his birth was on Jan 8, 1942, had coincided with Galileo's 300th death anniversary. What is this sea creature called as? Exactly, octopus. An octopus will eat its own arms if it gets really hungry. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert will become green in about 15,000 years according to scientists. The umbrella-shaped fruiting body mushroom is said to be closely related to humans. Mushrooms are more closely related in DNA to humans than to plants. French fries are taken hot as snacks and few take as meal. But do you know from where that name has come? French fries are not from France. They are from Belgium. They were named French fries because the official language of Belgium is French when it originated. Why do we need to talk to our mother every day? Talking to your mother has an effect and that can help to reduce stress levels. The sound of her voice releases oxytocin, which is best stress reliever. Mother's voice can have the same effect as a hug. In India, we celebrate 28th February as National Science Day in honor of Dr. C.V. Raman for his legacy. May 26th is celebrated as Science Day in Switzerland in honor of former President Dr. Abdul Kalam, because Dr. Abdul Kalam visited Switzerland on this day. Let's be proud to be an Indian. Hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also, drop your comments in the comment section. Bye bye.